Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use camera filters on the Samsung S25. Okay, so we need to open up our camera app, and now to open up the filters we need to click right in here in the top right corner on that icon, and now as you take a look we have the list of the filters. In here we can also adjust the strength of this filter. We can also select the color, temperature, same thing with the contrast, also the saturation, and we can also select the film grain. Also, when it comes to the filters, you can also set up your own filter, your custom filter. To do it, select and click right in here into that square with the plus in the middle, and in here we can select the picture to use it as a filter. So for example, I'll select I don't know, that one. Okay, now click on create, click on done, and now our filter has been saved. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.